So we just put this house on the market. It went live, and now we're waiting for all the buyers to show up. We just completed all the remodeling on this house. I was able to front $15,000 through my Compass Concierge program. This house didn't need much, but it needed some love. You know, it needed some paint throughout the entire home to give it that clean look. It needed carpets throughout the house, but we didn't change the other laminate that was inside here. It already had a brand new kitchen. So the thing is, you want to take away all the negatives. The goal is to have your house looking remodeled, updated, and ready for somebody to move in, because nobody's going to pay top dollar for any house that needs carpet, that needs paint, that needs little things here and there. The hardest part when selling and buying a house, which is what these clients are doing, is the decluttering. You know, you've been living in a house for so many years, you forget how much stuff you actually collect. So that's the part that takes the longest. And literally, you could just pack everything into one bedroom, and that's what we did here, and had everything else removed that they don't use every day. And literally, I mean, they're gonna make so much more money by just spending $15,000. They would probably lose about $50,000 to $75,000 if we didn't spend that $15,000. And that's what that Compass Concierge program comes in, because I don't want anybody to leave money on the table and lose money on their house. I want them to literally make as much money as possible when it comes to selling their house. I have all the contractors, I have the team in place to get your house shining the way we need to. And then the video and the photos is what comes last to get the buyers in the door.